Do you need to go to graduate school for journalism? No, definitely not. Some of the best reporters I know did not go to J school. I do have my Master's of Science from Boston University, and I'm not going to be the person to like say that it was totally not worth it. For me, it was. I had to get structured, and I think that's the important thing here. Forget style. I just wanted to get the basics down and understand news gathering and news writing. For other people, it may not be worth it. I think a couple of years in a newsroom is great for most people. One other thing I'll say about journalism grad school is that I chose to go like in a big city, and I became a reporter there. There's a chance that you're gonna like leave that school with a gig. I really recommend going in a city that you wouldn't mind living in at least for a couple of years if you do take that route.